Hi, I'm Mike, owner of the In-Groove in Phoenix, Arizona. Today I'm doing some Record Store Day 2020 unboxings. This is the Black Friday edition. All of these titles will be available on our website starting at 1 o'clock Eastern Time at www.theingroove.com. Fountains of Wayne. Welcome, Interstate Managers. So, probably, in my opinion, one of the worst covers ever for a pop record. But yeah, good record. This is actually the very first time it was ever first time it's ever going to be on vinyl. And this is limited to 3,000 copies. This is a black swirl vinyl, so this should look actually pretty cool. Funny how I've always looked at this and thought, man, this is a weird cover choice. No? Although I remember Stacy's mom as like one of the coolest music videos ever. But yeah, let's see what this is looking like. Got a bonus track on there, Elevator Up, 2 LP set. That is the inside. Real Gone Music does actually a really good job with these. They kind of do some cool things color-wise. All right. Let's check out disc number 1 or 2. We'll find out. Paper Inner. Not a huge fan, but that's actually a really cool looking color. Kind of a clear and black, like a smoke color. Let's check it out. Looks real nice and clean. You know, there's no destruction by the paper sleeve that's included with it. Looks nice and flat. Probably, you know, like 140 gram vinyl, which is something I'm not opposed to. It seems like the heavier stuff comes out of the packaging warped more times than not. This again, nice and clean looking vinyl. No fill. Yeah, that's a pretty cool looking color. Pretty solid. What's it say in there? Well-made music in the dead wax. But yeah, Fountains of Wayne. Available Black Friday 2020 Record Store Day. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Until next time.